Hey y'all, it's me Amani, and today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this really cute little pink onto orange two-tone. This started off as a 613, so I'm gonna show y'all the entire process. I kind of skipped through with the dyeing process, but the install process I did thoroughly record that. So if you want to see all that, let's get into it. These are the colors that I bought. So I bought pink petal and cotton candy, and I want it to be a really like pastel colors y'all can see. What do y'all think? It's giving scary. It's giving horror movie. It's giving right. You in a nightmare, right? And then you see. I did it this time with the olive oil Fix It grip gel. The texture of this stuff is so funny. I finally think this is dry enough. Ow. I'm just gonna kind of cut the whole face off. Wait, not just chilling on my face. Okay, but I'm actually liking how it lays. A lot of times, like the got to be sometimes will be rolling back and stuff, and this, it's not even all the way dry like here, but everywhere else, baby, it's doing its job. It's trying to get a promotion the way it's doing its job. So I'm definitely feeling a lot of like extra product on my face. So I'm gonna use a little cotton swab and get it off. I be feeling like Hannah Montana when I first put it on. Like, where you going? Like, who's you fooling with that wig? I don't know why. I'll never trust somebody who just put a wig on. Like, it's so much more stuff to do, babe. Then I broke my mirror today. I don't know. Something fell off my desk onto my mirror and it cracked. Trying to make sure it's sitting on my head right before I do anything, and that it's not back too far or up too far. I want to make sure I have an appropriate amount of forehead out. A lot of times after I install my wig, I noticed that I didn't leave out my forehead. So while I'm doing this, y'all go comment down below what should I call this wig? Like, what is it giving? What do y'all think of when y'all see it? Remember, it gets orange as it gets further down, and it just looks so stiff when I did that. I don't know if I think I'm Nicki Minaj, but I keep saying child. Do I feel like putting powder on? No. So my camera's about to die. Like a hating ass bitch.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
See how something that simple just made it look way better? Like, a lot of times with wigs, I have a video called like how to make your wig look more realistic, but a lot of times it's literally the littlest, simplest things that can change the whole look. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it at the end of this video. It's literally the littlest things can make your wig go from who gonna tell her to who did your hair. This little thing, this slick stick is gonna turn your wig up. I'm telling you. However you wanna make your hair go, it's gonna. Oh shit. Let's back it up so we can get the full color. This time trying pink, baby. It's giving princess bubblegum. But like the orange was giving me like peach at the end. But like, I don't know. Guava goddess. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope y'all like the whole process. It's giving something, but I can't put my finger on it. Like, I literally can't. But of course I took some pictures and videos and the hair looking real cute. So roll the clips. Like, what are we gonna call her? Is this cherry blossom? Is this Georgia peach? Let me know. Period. Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you didn't really like it, give it a small thumbs up, you know what I'm saying. And subscribe for more videos, and I will see y'all next time. Goodbye.